39 Room Organization Ideas for Your Home. Before starting your organizing project, make a list of every room in your home, as well as each space to organize within that room. For example, instead of calling it a junk drawer, think of it as an everyday necessity drawer. A mix of items typically ends up in this drawer, including batteries, paper clips, scissors, tape, and other odds and ends. The phrase, junk drawer, insinuates the drawer is filled with trash and useless items. But an everyday drawer explains exactly what it is, a drawer you need to access frequently for various useful items. Viewing the drawer this way might help to prevent you from cramming it with items you actually should get rid of. Hooks are a great way to utilize wall space, especially if you live in a small home or apartment. There are a lot of items that stay perfectly organized on hooks, including backpacks and hats. Plus, hooks are inexpensive and easy to install. One creative way to organize nail polish is to create a nail station on the wall, similar to the ones you see in salons. You can also make a portable nail polish caddy that holds files, polish, and polish remover. That way, you can pick it up and move it to wherever you want to do your nails. Shoe boxes prevent your shoes from getting dusty and damaged by other shoes being thrown on top of them. For functional organization, purchase clear shoe boxes, so you can easily find all of your shoes at a glance. Many of these boxes even allow you to open them at the front, so you don't have to shift stacks of boxes to get to the pair of shoes you want. Necklaces tend to get tangled and damaged easily when they aren't organized. Create your own necklace station by hanging a rod on the wall and then hanging individual hooks on the rod. This allows you to hang the exact amount of necklaces you have and space them accordingly to keep them from getting tangled. If your children's crayons, coloring books, paper, and paint are all over the place, organize them into a portable art station. Purchase a shelving unit with wheels, so you can move this station to wherever your kids are doing art projects. This also helps to teach your children how to stay organized if they have to put their items back where they found them on the station. Electronic cords tend to be bulky, and they can easily tangle and cause clutter. So consider turning a closet, or part of a closet, into a dedicated space for electronic items, such as spare chargers, power strips, etc. Find stackable containers to fit your items, and label what's inside. If you keep paper records, make sure to store them in an organized fashion. You can use a simple accordion folder, which is ideal if you don't have much to store and prefer that your records are easy to transport. You also can use a filing system that fits in an existing desk drawer or a freestanding filing cabinet. This prevents papers from being scattered in various places, yet it still gives you easy access to your records. You generally don't have to worry about jeans getting creased if you fold them. So to keep them organized, store your jeans in a neatly folded stack rather than spending time hanging them. This makes it easy to see all of your jeans at once when you're picking a pair to wear. Twice a year, spend a day packing away your seasonal clothes. At this time, consider donating clothes you haven't worn over the previous season. This will prevent your closet from getting cluttered and stuffed. If your closet has the space, store seasonal clothes on the top shelf, so it is easy to rotate them when the season changes again. If you don't have the space, pack away your clothes in an airtight container, and store them in a room that doesn't get extremely hot or cold. By organizing the items you need for your favorite hobby, you might feel motivated to do it more. For example, if you like gardening, consider making an organized gardening station. Use shelving to spread out everything you need to garden: pots, a watering can, utensils, etc. It can be a hassle to find which spice you need when you're cooking. If that's the case, opt for a tidal drawer organizer. It allows you to have easy access to your spices and see the names of all the spices at once. Now your food will never burn on the stove as you rummage through the cabinet to find a spice. By folding your t-shirts in such a way that they file one behind another, you can pull out one shirt without the others moving. This also allows you to see what's on each shirt all at once. Plastic containers are great for storing extra party utensils and materials for entertaining. Instead of dumping them all in one container labeled party utensils, divide them into categories. This allows you to find what you need quickly. Potential party categories include cutlery, decorative napkins and tablecloths, and decorations. A stackable rack organizer is ideal to organize soda cans and soup cans. Every time you take one out, another one rolls down. This is an excellent way to organize when you buy items in bulk. Don't forget to organize your pet items. Dry pet food bags can be bulky, so a great way to keep things neat and organized is to empty the food into a plastic container. Organizers specifically made for pet food often have options with wheels and a scooper inside. For treats, you can use a decorative container that you don't mind keeping out on display for easy access. Glass jars are excellent to organize makeup brushes. This makes it easy to grab which brush you need, and it's decorative. Simply fill the jar with beads or marbles, and then stick in the brushes. This method keeps brushes in place but still allows for quick access. Small purses and wallets fit great filed one in front of another in a small open container that allows you to quickly select the one you would like to use. Make sure the box is not too deep. You want it to fit in such a way that the purses are flush with the height of the box. Colorful bins are a great way to organize children's toys in one place. Large items such as stuffed animals, dolls, and sports balls tend to take up a lot of space, and it can be difficult to find a suitable storage spot for them. But bins come in many sizes, so you should be able to find a spot to keep these items organized and out of the way when they're not in use. Tilted shelves are effective to organize shoes. These shelves keep shoes neatly placed, preventing them from slipping and sliding. Plus, all shoes are visible at once, meaning it's easy to find and grab the pair you need. Tilted shelves can be installed in a closet, or if you are a shoe enthusiast, you can create a shoe wall with tilted shelves. An over-the-door gift bag organizer can be helpful to keep your gift bags nice and neat. Categorize them by size and occasion. So next time it's someone's birthday, you'll know exactly where to find the birthday bag you need. Colored paper, labels, or index cards on storage bins are a helpful way to organize holiday decor. This makes it easy for your eye to see which bins belong to which holiday. For example, your Christmas bins could all have a red label, and your Halloween decor could have an orange label. Cleanliness and organization go hand in hand. And systems are key to keeping your home organized. By creating a grab-and-go cleaning station, you can keep your supplies simplified and organized in one confined unit. Store the cleaning supplies you use the most in a caddy. Any additional items you use less frequently can be stored underneath the sink adjacent to the caddy. This creates an organized station, so you don't have to go searching for things. Track systems come in different forms, but they all have a horizontal track with different ways to hold items vertically. They often have hooks or clips that allow you to effortlessly hang many items you need in a garage. Shovels, brooms, bikes, ladders, cords, and rakes are all items that can benefit from this system. If your child likes to create lots of artwork, don't let it pile up and turn into clutter. Instead, frame favorite pieces to display as decor. This will help to cut down on clutter on your fridge and in boxes. Investing in a professional closet system sets the foundation for your organized space. Although some are pricey, you don't have to spend a lot of money to design an organized closet. Some systems are as low as a few $100s. With specific places to put things away, keeping your closet organized will be a breeze. One of the best alternate uses of a dish rack is to use it as a food storage lid organizer. Simply put the dish rack in a cabinet or large drawer where you keep your food storage containers. Then, stand the lids in the dish rack slots. This will make it easy to find the lid you need without digging through a pile. Your car can be seen as an extension of your home, so make sure to keep it organized as well. Consider a swing-away compact car organizer, which sits over the passenger headrest and can swing to the back of the seat if someone needs to sit there. That way, essential items, such as tissues and spare change, can be organized and within your reach. The inside of a door is a creative way to add more storage space. For instance, by adding a single track with baskets, you can organize ribbon in a craft room, spices in a pantry, or personal care items in a bathroom. It is a cheap and simple organization tactic that's suitable for most spaces. When all of your items have a designated storage spot, it should be easy to keep your home organized. Put like items with like items. For example, don't allow writing utensils to be scattered all over your home. Instead, use a drawer or other organizer designated for them in one spot. The 8-minute rule can be used for any space in your home. Set a timer for 8 minutes every night, and put away as much as you can in those 8 minutes. The intent is not to finish organizing your entire room. Rather, it helps to develop organization habits and prevents clutter from building up. Even if you were the one who stored the items, you might not remember what you put in every box and bin. That's where labeling can help. Labels ensure that everyone in your home can follow your organization system and will know where to find things and put them away. Taking advantage of doors is a great way to add storage space. Over-the-door storage units are often used for shoes, and they typically can fit anywhere from 12 to 24 pairs of shoes. Another way to utilize this organizer is to store beauty supplies in it, such as hairbrushes, curling irons, hair straighteners, hairspray, and lotions. You might often find yourself saying, "I will do it later," when it comes to organization. This can create mental clutter, which can lead to stress. To alleviate this, keep a specific box where you can put small items you need to sort, put away, or otherwise deal with later. Then, before you go to bed each night, organize these items so everything is in its place for the next day. ROYGBIV is many professional organizers' favorite term. The acronym stands for all the colors in the rainbow, and it can help you to organize clothes in your closet by color and make them visually appealing. You also can color coordinate your books, craft supplies, and any other category of items that has multiple colors. Wallets often become their own form of a junk drawer. Receipts, crumpled money, old coupons, and credit cards get lodged into our wallets only to have us fumbling at the checkout counter. So keep your cash in order from largest to smallest bill amount, and make sure all the bills are flat and unbent. Take out your receipts every day when you get home, and organize your credit cards in order of how frequently you use them. Keepsakes are memories that should be enjoyed and shared, not cluttered in an old box in the attic. A great way to keep meaningful letters organized, preserved, and part of your life is to frame them. This keeps them out of storage and visible every day for you to remember that special person and message. You can also create a keepsake binder for easy access to your special messages. Maximize the storage capacity and organization of your drawers with drawer dividers. One drawer divider instantly creates separate categories for the space, so everything has its place. You're typically also able to fit more items because the dividers make it easier to stack things vertically. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.